G'day, it's Elliot here from the Neat Customer Success Team, and today I'm going to show you how to do an ad hoc whiteboard, or also known as walk up and whiteboard, on our Neatboard 50, or also it could be a Neatboard Pro configured as a Microsoft Teams room. So the scenario is you walk into your meeting room and you just want to do a whiteboard with your colleagues, save that whiteboard and have a way of sharing it. So on the home screen here you can see the whiteboard button, tap on that, grab your Neat active marker that's held on magnetically underneath the Neatboard 50 here, and straight away you see a message saying this whiteboard is unsaved. So I'll get rid of that banner. So what we need to do is start a meeting in the bottom left hand corner. Tap on start meeting. I need to invite myself so that my storage, so the whiteboard has somewhere to go, which will be my OneDrive storage. And you actually see a little banner saying invite people to join this meeting. So I'm going to get rid of that banner up there. Tap the icon to invite myself. Tap on add participants. Start looking for myself. There I am. So what this is doing now, and as you'll see on my laptop, it's going to start calling the Teams client on my laptop to bring my laptop into this meeting. So I'll just answer that call. Let's mute that camera. Okay, now we're ready to start whiteboarding. So because I'm using an active marker, the whiteboard application knows that I wanted to start writing. If I use my finger to try and draw, it'll start moving around. I could use my finger if I want to just select a pen like that, and then that would start working. Let's undo that. And then I want to choose a nice pen here, a nice big thick one, and say, hi from Neat. And as you can see, the whiteboarding that we're doing here in the Neatboard 50 in our meeting room is showing up on my laptop as well. So what I need to do now is I can go to my laptop and in a web browser, navigate to whiteboard.office.com. And this is where you bring up all your saved whiteboards. And there's the whiteboard there. So now we've got some options. We can click on share and you can type in the email addresses of people you want to share to. And you can copy a link, you can set the link permission settings, or if you wanted to download a copy of this as a JPEG, you can do that, or as a PNG maybe. Let's do a high resolution export and that'll save to my downloads folder. So if I go to my downloads, there it is there.